Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change Wi-Fi network for Dyson Air Purifier. To do this, first we'll need to open My Dyson app. Inside, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, move to your machine settings, and inside you should be able to find the Wi-Fi. Here you can check your signal strength, also change Wi-Fi network, and then we'll need to put our phone close to the screen visible on your air purifier. Click on next. And now it should you should be able to see all of the networks available. You can click on one of them to connect it with your purifier. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.